Hey there! Dive into the market tide with Trade Trend Tribune. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for daily crypto and stock insights. Let's thrive together.
In a world where financial technology is redefining the way we transact, Ripple has emerged as a trailblazer, earning prestigious accolades and recognitions in 2023. A recent highlight was the prestigious Pay 360 Award for Best Use of Digital Currencies, Assets and Financial Services, celebrating its innovative prowess in leveraging digital assets for mainstream finance. The accolades didn't stop there. Ripple secured a spot on the esteemed 2023 Fintech 100 list, a testament to its revolutionary impact on cross-border payments. In the spotlight again, Ripple received two remarkable awards at the Future Digital Awards for Fintech and Payments 2023, underlining its robust position in the fintech sphere. Its sustainability initiatives and leadership contributions were also acknowledged at the 2023 Digital Currency Awards, further cementing its status as a fintech leader. Moreover, Ripple was honored with the Sustainability in Fintech Innovation of the Year Award and the cbdc Innovation Award by Juniper Research, highlighting its creation of the carbon-neutral Palau stablecoin. As Ripple continues to break new ground in the digital finance realm, its journey exemplifies how innovation is not just about technology, but how it's employed to transform the very fabric of financial services.
Stay ahead in the crypto curve by hitting the subscribe button and ringing that notification bell now. Your daily dose of market magic is just a click away on Trade Trend Tribune. Let's keep the trade talk trending.